Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from MTEL Test Prep and ChrisTheMathTutor.com. Today's an interesting problem. It involves place value and another way to think about adding decimals. So I hope you enjoy it. Keep on sending your questions and I look forward to hearing from you. Take care everyone. Good luck on your exams. Bye-bye. Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from MTEL Test Prep. Today we're going to look at a concept, another way of looking at how to approach place value and adding numbers with decimals. We're going to stick with using manipulatives in a way to understand how to add numbers that go into the all the way to the thousands, into the decimals. So everyone's seen these. These are manipulatives that you use in math. You have a small cube, and then you have sort of a stick, which is made up of 10 of those cubes. And then you have a sheet, which is actually made up of 10 of those sticks. So if this is 1, this is 10, this is 100. And then if I were to take 10 of these sheets, I would get a cube. Let's say that's 10 sheets. I know this isn't exact, but you get the idea. 10 of those sheets make up a cube. And the cube, I gotta finish the dimensions here. The cube is made up of 10 sheets, and each sheet has 100 little cubes. So this big cube is 1,000. Well, here's the thing. These are real things that you would see in a math class that a student could hold and manipulate. We're gonna approach this as saying this 1,000th block is equal to 1. So we're gonna call that 1. Now, if that is 1, if that whole thing represents 1, then one of these sheets, since 10 of these sheets go into 1, one of the sheets is equal to 1/10. Makes sense. If this is a whole, and I can divide it into 10 parts, each one of those parts is 1/10. Well, what would a stick be? Believe it or not, 100 of these sticks would fit into this hole, because there are 10 of the sticks fit into one sheet, and there are 10 sheets. So each one of these sticks is equal to 1/100th. And one of these blocks, since, you get what I'm going to say here, since I can fit 10 blocks into a stick, and 10 sticks fit into a sheet, and 10 sheets fit into a square, that's like saying I can fit 1,000 cubes into this big one. So each one of these cubes is equal to 1/1000th. So in this way, teachers are able to explain the different parts of a number with decimals. For example, if I were to give you, I showed you a picture with 1 cube plus 2 sheets plus, let's say, 3 sticks plus, I don't know, 4 little cubes. In this math class, I'd be wanting you, or on your test, they'd be wanting you to say, well, let's see. Each cube is equal to 1 whole. So I'm going to make that 1. And each sheet is 1/10, or 0.1. And since I have, if I have 1/10 and 1/10, that's 2/10, or that's equal to 0.2. 2 sheets is equal to 0.2. Plus, let's see, each stick is 1/100th, and I have 3 of those. So I really have 3/100th, or 0.03. And I've got 4 cubes, and each one of those is 1/1000th. So if I got 4 of those, another way of thinking about that is 0.004, or 4,000ths. Now all I have to do is add up each of those parts, and I'll know what a cube plus 2 sheets plus 3 sticks plus 4 blocks is. That would be something like this. 1.000 plus 0.200 plus 0.030 plus 0.004. By the way, I just added in these extra zeros just to line up my numbers so I don't make a mistake when I add. That way my decimals are all lined up. I add from lowest to greatest. I add going from right to left. That would be 4, 3, 2.1. The answer would be, if I added up a cube, 2 sheets, 3 skinnies, and some, breadcrumbs, would be 1 and 234 thousandths. I hope you find this helpful. This is a concept that you want to have a firm grasp of. You could see this on the MTELs. You could see this on a general curriculum, an exam for the MCAS, for if you're a student in either the 5th or 6th grade. 4th grade, you might see something like this. You could see this on the SATs. These are different. This is a concept that's out there that appears on these exams. So I hope you found this helpful. Again, this is Chris Abraham from christhemathtutor.com and MTEL Test Prep. Send in your questions. More than happy to help. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye.